So in this problem, we're asked to write an equation that passes through a point. So we're going to label that point x1, y1, and is perpendicular, very important word, to the line represented by this equation over here on the right. Now, one thing we have to remember about perpendicular lines is that their slopes are opposite reciprocals. So, if I want a line perpendicular to this equation right here, then I'm going to use that slope, 2/5, and I need to find the opposite reciprocal. By opposite, I mean the opposite sign. That is a positive 2/5. So my new slope is going to be negative, and reciprocal means to flip. So if I'm flipping that fraction, it's now going to be 5 in the numerator and 2 in the denominator. So now that I have a point over here, and I have a slope, you can use point-slope formula. Okay? All you need to do from here is plug in those values that I've boxed and solve for y. Okay, good luck.